Seriously, my deleted file is missing. Not even in the trash bin. What? There is one of the way to find that file again. Now, let's try to delete the file here by clicking Move to Trash. Confirm delete this file by clicking Move File to Trash. Go back to your team project folder and you will see file no longer there. Now, you go to your trash. You will see that the file you've just deleted is missing here, both files and projects tab. Right, now how we find that file and restore. Navigate to right side where you can see filters here. Now in created by others, you will see 3 options here. By changing to created by anyone, you will see your file appear. You now can permanently delete or restore it. No, this happened when file was created by another collaborator. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you.